YouTube has become one of the most powerful platforms for content creators to showcase their skills and talents. From makeup tutorials to cooking lessons, the platform has something for everyone. However, creating quality content for YouTube can be challenging, especially if you're new to it. That's why we've brought together some of the best tips from the pros to help you create quality videos for YouTube content creation. The hard thing is create high-quality videos and edit eye-catching videos. We can see to many video editors, and we can get professional videos from them. But you are a beginner to YouTube and video editing, you need a simple but powerful video editor. That's why I suggest Use Wondershare Filmora video editor. It's easy and it's specially created for who are making videos for YouTube. Let's see how to create a video for YouTube. With Wondershare Filmora. You can download this Filmora free from below description link. If you don't have a logo animation for YouTube channel, you can create your own logo animation from this template section. Choose a logo animation and drag to the timeline. We can see too many logo animation for YouTube template section. That's why I told you, this Filmora video editor specially designed for YouTube content creators. YouTube intro play best part of the video. Therefore create your own logo animation today with this cool logo animation templates. No need to any knowledge about logo animate. I am gonna use this logo animation. Drag it to timeline. Now let's see how customize this to our own logo animation. We can change and add our logo to this animation from here. Click to replace material. We can replace our logo and slogan also. Now time to add your stock video. To make video smooth, we can add video transitions. Choose one, and drag down to between two video clips. We can add sound effects also. Click audio. And find compatible sound clip. I think I should change logo for this video. This one is better. My video voice separately. If you have own voice, it's okay.
If you're a food lover.
We can adjust audio sounds from here.
If you're a food lover, you know that some of the best meals can be found on the streets. From the bustling cities of Asia to the vibrant market.
Now I am going to add lower third now. For this, click text. This section, we can see category-wise text animation. You are free to choose any of text animation.
Food lover, you know that some of the best meals can be found on the streets. From the bustling cities.
Choose the one text animation, then drag down to video timeline. Then we can change titles, size and position from text editing area.
If you're a food lover, you know that some of the best meals can be found on the streets.
Here the one of cool part. If you need a background music for video, we can use AI to generate music. We can choose what kind of music we want. Mood, theme, genre and length of music.
If you're a food lover, you know that some of the best meals can be found on the streets. From the bustling cities of Asia to the vibrant markets of South America, street food.
This is my second stock video clip.
Lies in its simplicity and authenticity. It's the and authenticity.
If you loves to add some effects to video, show it as more colorful. We can use effects section.
It's the food of the people, made with love and passion, and enjoyed on the go. It's the food of the people, made with love and passion, and enjoyed on the go. And enjoyed on the go.
It's easy to add fantastic text stylish to our video.
It lies in its simplicity and authenticity. It's the and enjoyed on the go. In this post, we'll be taking a journey around the world to savor the best street foods.
You can add some cool effects from this text section.
In this post, we'll be taking a journey around the world to savor the best street foods and explore their origins. From the spicy curries of India to the savory kebabs of the Middle East. From the spicy curries of India to the savory From the spicy curries of India to the
This method is the simple way to create videos for YouTube. After creating YouTube video, we can add end screen animation also from this video editor.
Whole new world of flavors. Whole new world of flavors. So, grab your and discover a whole new world of flavors. So, grab your appetite and join world of flavors. So, grab your appetite and join.
After finish the edit. When exporting video we can upload direct to YouTube. We need to log into YouTube channel. Or we can save the video to our computer. However, when exporting video, we can create YouTube thumbnail also.
You know that some of the best meals can be found on the streets. From the bustling cities of Asia to the vibrant markets of South America, street food is a culinary experience that you won't soon forget. The beauty of street food lies in its simplicity and authenticity. It's the food of the people, made with love and passion, and enjoyed on the go. In this post, we'll be taking a journey around the world to savor the best street food and explore their origins. From the spicy curries of India to the savory kebabs of the Middle East, get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover a whole new world of. So, grab your appetite and join us as we delve into the world of.
Download today this Wondershare Filmora. And comment me below your experience. Thank you for watching me, subscribe me to watch more videos. See you again.